Hey YouTube, it's Soika Sweet 99, and as you can tell by the title of the video, sorry, let me just move this. It's about my attempt at ombre hair with my Bobbi Boss INDI REMY Ocean Wave, which is what I have in my hair right now, except it's flat iron straight. So I don't know if you remember from the last video, I actually dyed the 1B hair to jet black. So ombre is basically a gradual effect of going from darker in the roots to lighter at the ends. So let me show you exactly what my hair looks like, and then I'll tell you what I did to get this effect. I'm not fully satisfied, but you guys let me know what you think. Okay, so this is the side. This is the back. And it's flat iron straight today. This is the back. This is the left side. And this is the front. And I'm going to include pics with this video so you can see what it looks like. Okay, what I did first to initially lift the hair was I used some L'Oreal hair color dye that was for dark hair to lift the hair. I don't remember, I didn't keep the bottle, but I'll tell you what else I used. So that lifted it to like a medium brown color. It wasn't light enough for me. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I purchased BW2. This cost me about $7.99 for this big container or whatever. And then I purchased 20 volume developer with it. Because 20 volume is like the standard lift. I didn't want it too light, but I went over it twice. I put it on for 15 minutes first, and then I grabbed the hair. I got a brush. Let me show you the brush that I used. Sorry guys. Hair color bowl brush. Mixed it together in equal concentrations. They'll tell you the instructions on the bottle. Painted the bleach on. Left it on 15 minutes. It didn't look like it was lightening. I kept checking it. So I rinsed it off. It was a little bit lighter. And then I went back in again and put it on for another 15 minutes. And this is what got me this color. So it was kind of brassy when I was done. So I was getting annoyed like, oh, this is so brassy. I want to change it. You know, so what I did was I went and purchased this dark ash blonde colorsilk color. And I've applied this like 3 to 4 days later. And it made the color a little bit more of an ash tone. But I still need to go in and put some toner in it to get a little bit of the green out of it. Because I noticed that, you know, when you're lifting black hair, you got to be careful too. Because I lift color. Mind you, remember I colored it with Revlon colorsilk color. So I'm happy with the results. But the only thing is that this hair up here in the front didn't lift as much. I kind of wanted like the lighter highlights along my face, like right here. Kind of wanted this a little bit lighter, so I may go back in and touch it up. So I'm on my way out the door, so I decided to just flat iron it and wear. This is my first time actually wearing this install of my Bobbi Boss INDI REMY Ocean Wave straight. I've never wore this particular install straight yet. I've always had curls in it or wet. Yesterday I wore it wet and curly. One thing, when you are going to bleach the hair, this hair acts actually like virgin hair or virgin Indian hair where you can do a lot with it. One thing that you will notice with any hair, even regular your real hair, if you bleach it, it's going to be a bit drier. So you want to condition often, because my ends were looking kind of really frayed yesterday and I had like all these flyaways, so I went in and actually clipped it a little bit. I don't know if you could tell there. So I clipped it actually not with the razor like I normally will cut it with the razor. I went in and cut it with scissors. So I went in and clipped the hair just a bit along the ends. This side didn't get as straight as I wanted, but it was wavy. So anyway, if you guys have any specific questions about ombre hair or a technique like this, if I would have done anything different, what I probably would have done was maybe made this a little lighter towards the front of my hair. And I would have went less blonde. Like, I didn't really want my blonde to go all the way up. I just kind of wanted it at the bottom. But what I'm going to do to correct that is get like maybe a medium brown color and just put it towards the middle right here and just keep my blondish color on the ends. But let me give you one last look so you can see it. And I will list the name of all the products that I used on my hair in the information bar below, so you can actually see what I use to, you know, to lighten the hair. And yeah, so that's what I did. I went Black Friday shopping and picked up hair color. I went Black Friday shopping and I picked up hair color at the same time. Like, look, I don't know, I was getting tired of the jet black. I had my hair in a similar color to this in about 2008. I went on a trip to Aruba and a lot of people liked it on me. So I'm like, you know what, let me try. Let me just try, you know, lightening it again and see what happens. But I don't know. And I have on my little gray H&M pea coat today. So I noticed that the hair looks really great against like the color gray or like any warmy, you know, earth tone or even ash colors like this. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to inbox me, leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel. I know I get a lot of friend invites, but you can subscribe to the channel. I promise I will have some more videos coming for you guys. I know I've been on here like for a couple of years, but it's like I upload rarely, but I want to try to bring a little bit more videos to you guys so you could see more of what I'm doing. But I had to show you the ombre. I know I told you guys I was going to ombre the hair. So here it is, my ombre. Whoo! Look at how it flows. Let's shake my hair. Let's do the shake the hair test. Woo! 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 Don't look at the back under there. I don't know if I cleaned up my kitchen that good. But here's the hair. I'll try to put some pictures up at the end so you guys can see it. And if you want a color similar to this, again, you can email me, message me, and find out what I did. But I'll put the colors underneath. But it goes very well with gray. It's a nice fall day outside in New York. Alright, that's it. Oh, again, my hair has been in 7 weeks so far. So this is also an update besides an ombre tutorial or whatever. But it's been in about 6 to 7 weeks, the Bobbi Boss. And I have had some shedding. I have definitely had shedding. But this is Bobbi Boss, and you see I was able to bleach it. So you can bleach Bobbi Boss hair, color it or whatever. You can bleach it. It will color. So for those of you who are considering doing it, you can do it. You don't have to buy the lighter color. You can color it the color that you want it. Okay, bye YouTube. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.